The next thing we want to do is add our branded logo to our store. So to do that, we're going to go into the theme settings by clicking on the gear icon here at the top left. Then let's go to logo. And then right here, we can upload our logo. Now, because this has a dark background, we want to upload the logo that is suitable for a dark background. So optimally, it should have a bright color. So I have a logo for a dark and a bright background. And here I'm going to just drag in the one that is white for the dark background. And now I think it's a bit small, so I'm going to change the logo width to 100 pixels. Now we also want to add your site icon or favicon, which we can add down here. So a favicon is basically the little icon that we can see up here when people visit your store. So currently when we go to our store, we can just see this globe icon, which means we don't have a site icon yet. So let's add it by just dragging it in here. And you want to make sure that it's basically a square version of your logo. So I'm just going to drag it in here. And once it's uploaded, let's click on Save at the top right. Then let's go to the three dots and click on View. And now we can see our site icon here at the top. Now there's one more place where we want to add our logo, which is the checkout page. So let's switch to the checkout page by clicking here. Then let's click on Checkout and New Customer Accounts. And then let's drag the logo for the light background into this field. So for me, this is just the black logo. So let's just drag that in here. And now we can also see our logo here when somebody checks out on your store.